Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita Kotak and today we're going to do a nice simple morning flow to get you glowing in the morning. So let's start. We're going to start in child's pose. And so your knees are nice and wide, your toes are touching and your hands are reaching forward. Just gently take a nice big exhale, nice big inhale. As you exhale, just letting go. And as you inhale, inhale presence for the next few minutes that you're going to dedicate to yourself, your body, your mind. And then gently come up onto all fours. We're going to wake up the spine. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. You're taking your ear to your shoulder and bringing your hip to your shoulder. So creating a little C shape just to warm up the spine. Good. And this time we're going to pull the belly button in and extend one leg to the back. Change sides, extend. And again, keeping that belly button pulled in. And this time, watch the change. We're going to add opposite hand, opposite leg. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Opposite hand, opposite leg. Good. Now this time we're going to keep the right hand up, left leg up, tuck the belly button in, curl in, and elbow to knee for 3, 2, 1. Change sides. Left hand, right knee, 3, 2, 1. Good. And then back, tuck the toes under and just lift up those knees slightly, holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. And then again, pull the belly button in, lifting those knees up, holding it for 3, 2, 1. Gently release. One more time. This time we're going to lift up those knees and come into downward facing dog. And just walk it out. Left, right, left, right. Don't forget to breathe. Bring your feet in, heels and toes together. Bend the knees. Take the knees over to the left and take the buttocks over to the right. And change sides. Good. One more time. Knees to the left, buttocks to the right. Knees to the right, buttocks to the left. And then we're just going to hold it in downward facing dog. Breathing in, breathing out. And then gently lean forward onto your hands. Step your right foot forward, left foot forward. Tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. Let's start the flow. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward bend. Step the right foot back. Left foot back. And you can be in high plank position or you can bring your knees down. Little tricep push up. Upward facing dog. Tuck the toes under. Downward facing dog. Beautiful. And just breathe here. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Lean forward onto your hands. Step the right foot forward. Left foot forward. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. We're getting the blood flowing. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Left leg back. Right leg back. And again, you can have your knees down or you can keep your knees up. Lean slightly forward. Tricep push up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And breathe. Nice long deep breaths in. Push your knuckles down onto the mat. Make sure your palms are firmly placed on the mat. Take your shoulders away from your ears. You can have your knees bent if you want. Lean forward onto your hands. Step your left foot forward, right foot forward. Tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. Tuck in the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Right leg back. Left leg back. And remember, you've got the option of having your knees down. Tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And breathe. So this downward facing dog is your recovery position. It's where you connect to your breath again. By connecting to your breath, you stay in the present moment. Breathing in, breathing out. Lean forward onto your hands. Step your right foot forward, left foot forward. Tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tucking the neck. Inhale, reaching up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. Tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tucking the neck. Left leg back, right leg back. High plank, tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And breathe. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Lean forward onto your hands. Step the left foot forward, right foot forward. Tucking the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tucking the neck. Inhale, reaching up to the ceiling. You should be feeling nice and warm now. Exhale, forward bend. One more round. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Right leg back. Left leg back. Remember the options. Knees down if you want. Tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Breathing in. Breathing out. Nice long deep breaths in. Nice long deep breaths out. Lean forward onto your hands. Step the right foot forward. Left foot forward. Tuck in the neck. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck in the neck. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling. Exhale, forward bend. Tuck the neck in. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, tuck the neck in. Left leg back. Right leg back. Tricep push-up. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. And breathe. Breathe in. Breathe out. You should be flowing now. Your blood should be flowing through your body. Your body's been activated. Exhale, bring the knees down. And let's just melt the heart down. Melting the heart down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. And slowly come up to sitting. Facing me. Let's just bring the soles of your feet together. Interlock your fingers. Grab your feet from underneath and let's butterfly them. Opening up the hips. Beautiful. Don't forget to breathe. For 3, 2, 1, and then gently release. Crossing the legs. We're going to inhale, lift up the arms. Exhale, opposite hand on opposite knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, come down. Again, inhale, lift up. Exhale, rotate. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, rotate. Bring one hand over to the hip and we're going to bring one hand over our ear. Reaching. Make sure both of your buttocks are on the mat. We don't want to be lifting up. That's beautiful. And change sides. Inhale, lift. Reach. 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to bring our hands to our shoulders, elbows together, and let's rotate those shoulders forward for 3, 2, and 1. Change sides. So we're changing directions of the rotation. Rotating up and down. Up and down. 2 more. 2 and 1. Now interlock your fingers and really reach forward, pulling those shoulder blades apart. And then bring the hands behind you, opening up your chest. One more time, reaching forward. And again, other way. Opening up the chest and place your hands on your hips. Rotate your head, ear to shoulder, ear to shoulder. Relax your shoulders, relax your shoulders. And then a little half circles one way and the other way. And then gently come back into the middle. Take a couple of deep breaths, exhaling, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your face. Inhaling and exhaling. As we come to the end of this short sequence, think of 3 things that you're grateful for in this moment. 3 things that you're grateful for in your life in this moment. Inhale them into your body and exhale gratitude out to the universe. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. And then whenever you're ready, gently open your eyes. I thank you for allowing me into your living rooms. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment and let me know how you went. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.